Welcome back. Tonight we're focusing on a crucial but often neglected topic, kidney health. Our kidneys filter blood, remove waste, and keep our bodies balanced, yet we rarely think about supporting them. What if a simple bedtime drink could help protect your kidneys and reduce your risk of dialysis? I'm sharing 5 easy, natural bedtime drinks that gently cleanse and support your kidneys as you sleep. These aren't fancy supplements, just simple beverages you can make at home. Let's explore how these drinks can become a powerful part of your nightly routine for long-term kidney health. Ready to take charge of your wellness? Let's get started. First up is warm lemon water, a classic, but not just for mornings. It's a simple yet powerful addition to your nighttime routine. Many people swear by its benefits, and for good reason. Lemons are rich in citrate, a naturally occurring compound. This citrate helps prevent kidney stones by stopping calcium from binding with other minerals and forming those painful crystals. It essentially acts as a protector for your kidneys. Warm water soothes your body, promoting relaxation and easing tension. And it helps your kidneys efficiently flush out toxins and excess salts overnight, supporting their natural detoxification processes while you sleep. Think of it as a gentle internal cleanse. Hydration is absolutely key for optimal kidney health. And sipping this warm lemon water before bed ensures your body has the fluids it needs to perform its vital functions, including nighttime detox. It's a proactive step towards well-being. To make it, simply squeeze the juice from half a fresh lemon. Add that to a mug of warm, not boiling water. Boiling water can destroy some of the beneficial enzymes and vitamins. Always use fresh lemons, not bottled juice, for the best and most potent health benefits. Fresh is best when it comes to maximizing nutrient intake. Drink it approximately 30-60 minutes before you go to bed. And remember to rinse your mouth with plain water after drinking it to protect your tooth enamel from the lemon's acidity. This simple ritual not only hydrates and supports detoxification, but also gently signals to your body that it's time to wind down, rest, and repair itself during sleep. Incorporating small, consistent steps like this into your daily routine can make a surprisingly big difference in the long run for your kidney health and overall well-being. Why not try it tonight and experience the gentle, supportive benefits for yourself? Your kidneys will thank you. Next is chamomile tea, famous for its calming effects and kidney support. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory compounds help reduce stress on your kidneys and protect their delicate tissues. It acts as a mild diuretic, encouraging your body to flush out toxins and excess fluid. Chamomile also helps lower stress and cortisol, which can otherwise harm kidney health. Some studies show it may help regulate blood sugar, reducing the risk of diabetes-related kidney damage. Steep dried chamomile flowers or a tea bag in hot water for 5-10 minutes. Sip slowly before bed for a calming, protective effect. This gentle tea is more than a sleep aid. It's a nightly act of kidney care. Make it part of your routine for both relaxation and wellness. Third on our list is Dandelion root tea, a truly powerful and completely natural kidney cleanser. It's an age-old remedy, celebrated for its gentle yet effective detoxifying properties. Dandelion root acts as a gentle diuretic, helping your kidneys flush out toxins, supporting their vital function in maintaining overall health. It encourages the natural elimination processes, excess salt, which can contribute to water retention and strain on the kidneys, and excess water, helping to relieve bloating and support healthy blood pressure levels. It's also wonderfully rich in potassium, an essential mineral which supports a healthy electrolyte balance, unlike many pharmaceutical diuretics that can deplete potassium levels. Furthermore, the antioxidants present in dandelion root actively protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals and the effects of aging, promoting long-term kidney health. To prepare this beneficial tea, simply steep 1-2 teaspoons of roasted dandelion root, which offers a richer flavor, in a cup of hot water for approximately 10-15 minutes, allowing the beneficial compounds to fully infuse into the water. The resulting tea has an earthy, slightly bitter flavor, a characteristic that many find quite pleasant and grounding. However, if you prefer a sweeter taste, it can easily be sweetened with a touch of honey or a natural sweetener of your choice. For optimal benefits, aim to drink this tea a few times a week to gently support your kidneys' natural detoxification process and maintain their efficient function. This ancient herbal remedy offers a simple, accessible, and effective way to keep your body's filtration system running smoothly and efficiently. As you wind down for the night, take a moment to visualize the tea gently cleansing your system, promoting relaxation and preparing you for restful sleep. So, give your kidneys some extra love and attention with this powerful and soothing bedtime ritual, incorporating the goodness of dandelion root tea. Fourth on our list is ginger tea, a warming and wonderfully zesty drink that's absolutely packed with compounds known to be kidney protective. It's a simple, yet powerful addition to your daily routine. The magic of ginger lies in its high concentration of antioxidants, most notably gingerols, which are potent warriors that actively fight oxidative stress and work diligently to protect your delicate kidney cells from harm. Beyond its antioxidant capabilities, ginger boasts impressive anti-inflammatory properties, helping to soothe and shield your kidneys from the potential long-term damage caused by chronic inflammation. Furthermore, ginger plays a vital role in boosting circulation, ensuring that your kidneys receive a consistent and ample supply of the oxygen and essential nutrients they require to function optimally. And let's not forget its digestive benefits. Ginger aids in digestion, effectively reducing the overall burden placed on your kidneys, especially during those overnight hours. Preparing this kidney-friendly elixir is incredibly simple. Just steep a few slices of fresh ginger in hot water for about 10-15 minutes, allowing all those beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. For an extra burst of flavor and added health benefits, consider adding a squeeze of fresh lemon or a drizzle of honey. Sipping on this spicy and comforting tea before bed is not only a delightful ritual, but also a proactive way to build and reinforce your body's natural defenses. It's far more than just a comforting beverage. It's a conscious and proactive step towards comprehensive kidney care. So, why not make ginger tea an integral part of your evening wind-down routine and reap the lasting benefits it offers for your kidney health? Embrace the power of ginger and protect your kidneys, one soothing and flavorful cup at a time. Last is pure unsweetened cranberry juice, famous for urinary tract health. Cranberries contain plaques, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections that can harm your kidneys. Their antioxidants also protect kidney cells from free radical damage. Some research suggests cranberries may help prevent certain kidney stones by balancing minerals in urine. Choose 100% pure, unsweetened juice. Just 4-6 ounces before bed is enough. If it's too tart, dilute with water, but avoid sugary cocktails. This vibrant juice creates a protective barrier for your urinary tract and kidneys. Add it to your nightly routine for an extra layer of defense. Simple, effective, and backed by science. There you have it. 5 easy bedtime drinks to cleanse and protect your kidneys. From lemon water to chamomile, dandelion, ginger, and cranberry, each offers unique support for your body's filtration system. Small, consistent habits like these can lead to big health benefits over time. Take care of your kidneys. They're vital to your overall wellness. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who could benefit. Sweet dreams, and here's to your kidney health.